I wake as a bruise with a mouthful of rain. Streets spit my name like a curse on a train. My fists are clocks that refuse to be kind. I punch through the hours, I blister the mind. Windows glare back with a butcher's grin. I am the riot, I'm trapped within. Then home finds my feet soft as guilt, slow as prayer. The door breathes my breath, I float into there. On the bed lies my body, a quiet cold fact, a map of my heart I can't ever walk back. I touch what I was, no answer, no sound. Just love like a bruise that refuses to bound.